ReNuCare Standing Bed Remote Control How-To Guide. Welcome to the ReNuCare Standing Bed User Guide. With its easy-to-use control panel, adjusting your bed to meet your needs has never been simpler. Let's explore how it works. The Standing Bed Remote Controller features 8 buttons, allowing you to seamlessly adjust the bed into 4 primary positions: sleeping, reclining, sitting, and standing. Please note, for optimal operation, press the buttons one at a time. The pilot lamp or operation indicator signals that the standing bed is moving. The lamp will flash green once the bed is in motion. The back raising and back lowering buttons enable users to effortlessly adjust the backrest angle from 0 to 75 degrees, ensuring a seamless and comfortable transition. The leg raising and leg lowering buttons are designed for the reclining position, promoting improved blood circulation and helping to alleviate bed sores for enhanced user comfort. The height adjustment raise and lower buttons allow for effortless customization of the bed's height to suit the user's needs. The stand up and lie down buttons have pauses between each cycle to prevent safety hazards. Once the standing bed pauses, please press the button again to resume the stand up or lie down cycle. With its intuitive button controls, the ReNuCare Standing Bed ensures every adjustment is effortless. Designed with your comfort and mobility in mind, it's the perfect companion for your daily needs. Visit www.keywaymedical.com or email us at info@keywaymedical.com to learn more and access our full user manual. Independence, dignity, well-being. ReNuCare, rise and shine.